Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jency and I'm on a journey to become debt free, you guys. I am so sorry, it is a late night video. I'm just now recording it because I had to do the debt update. You guys, today is the 11th and every 11th of the month I always do the debt update, and I'm so excited to share with you guys my new balance. And yeah, okay, so if you're new here, I'm hoping to become debt-free by August. If not sooner, that'll be amazing. But you know, life be lifing, and sometimes you can't do stuff like that. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So when I started this journey, when I fully commit to it, I had a balance of $7,802 with 6 cents. Sorry, guys. And so when I started this journey, I started almost going on to 3 years actually now. Going on to 3 years now. On December I will have 3 years that I had a balance of $45,000, you guys. $45,000. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. So today is May 11. May 11, the 25th. Happy Mother's Day again, guys. This is my second video for today. And from 4,674 with 47 cents, we have dropped that balance to, are you guys ready? 3,000, oh my goodness, 473 with 91 cents. Cannot believe it. We are in the 3 digits. So that means that I was able to pay off this past month $1,256. Oh my goodness, you guys. Cannot believe it that I'm 3,473 with 91 cents. And this debt journey, like I said, my goal is to finish by August, which is my birthday month, and I hope I do. I'm in shock though. I am in shock of how much money I have left, which is so exciting. That's my ghetto tripod. So yeah, so this is my update, you guys, as May 11, 2025. I have 3 months left to pay off my debt. That's my goal. I'm excited. I hope I can do it, you guys. So yeah, so every little bit adds up. This is my little journey. I know it may not seem a lot of money, but when I started, you guys, $45,000 in debt, I was like, oh my gosh, I was choking. I'm still choking at 3,473, but still, yeah. So there is my debt update. Oh my gosh, can't wait for next month to see how much damage I can, do. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching late night video. Happy Sunday again. See you guys back again tomorrow on Mini Monday. Bye, guys.